What's your name?
Jina yangu ni Steven Gachanja Githende.
Okay. What's the reason behind hugging the tree?
The reason behind hugging the tree is because nataka ku fundraise hospitality funds for my brother kwenda India kutibiwa. Yeah, and we were there in 2018. Na tukio 2018 alitibiwa akapona. Tena sasa for the past 3-4 months amekuwa kwa unwell.
So for how many hours are you going to hug the tree?
50 hours.
And how many hours have you been here? 24 hours. So you are remaining with how many hours?
26 hours.
26 hours, which means by tomorrow utakuwa ushamaliza. Unaambia Wakenya nini?
Naambia wa show up.
Yeah.
Hiyo 9 p.m.
Okay.
At least I think pia anaweza taka pia brangu pia kwa hiyo.
Nice. So guys, you should come and support the guy. Hata watu wako hapa, you can see.
Support this guy. I've been tried so much hard.
Yeah.
So hard. The better anybody can. Because you are and
24.
What we are trying to say is that this guy has been tried so hard much, and maybe he could make up these things. Like it's not everyone can make this. Not easy for anyone. But this guy looks like he could. Only we can just wait for that time to remain. We see how long it can last.
Yeah.